good. God is great. God is good. God is great. Ew, what the fuck? Ew. I hate stalkers. I always get jumped. There's someone in here. And I'm just psyching myself out. No. We got this. We got this. What the fuck? Fire! Where the fuck is the stalker gone? I get a nice scene now. Where's Lev? This is what we need to worry about. It's just Lev. I also don't want to see Mel and Owen die.
Actually, I'm going with them. Not if you come. Piece of shit, Abby.
Fuck you, Mel. Flood them. Shoot a hole in Mel. And Owen get killed while we're out.